GONEZ, maybe is how you would say that, case for smartphone. This is the iPhone 13, but I also ordered one for the iPhone 14 Max. So this will be my Pro Max. You can see it doesn't fit this one, but I do have a 14 Pro Max on order, so I will be using that. But what I'm going to be focusing on today is for my iPhone 13 Pro, and actually let me take this old case off here, and you see my phone right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put this on there. Number one, let's just kind of like look over this thing. You can see that ring in there. Well, you know what that is? That is a Magsafe ring. And what I really like about this, they've lifted a bezel up around the camera. So you kind of watch this. When you snap it on there, that goes on. It's like this felt. It's got like this felt. And I've always liked a case that kind of goes like where there's a bezel going up. So if you lay it down flat, it's not hitting your camera lens. And then if I lay it down that way, it's not hitting my actual glass on my screen. But then watch this. So you see there's nothing there, but watch. Look at that, everybody. That, hear that? That is a Magsafe. This thing is a Magsafe holder. You get some wipes to remove any type of dirt. This is a screen protector. They've included a screen protector. Very nice. Highly recommend screen protectors. And then inside of here is a glass for your camera. Check that out. I am going to install that. You can see all it does is lock down on there, and then it's good to go. It covers up all of that. So let's go ahead and take this out, and let's install this now. So what I'm going to do is open my wipes, clean up all around my camera lens, and then this peels off like this. And what it's going to do, it's just going to stick onto the lens. You can see how you're lining up right there. You want to line up just perfectly right on the lens. Now, the glass right there is protected. That is awesome. I've actually never seen that. Does it actually affect it? So let's check it out. No, look. It doesn't affect it at all. That's crystal clear. That looks really good. Now my glass is protected. And look at that. That magnet, that Magsafe works great. Let's try that again. This is something I think everyone should have. I always recommend getting, no matter what, get a really good case for your cell phone because these things are not cheap. And I highly recommend, and if you break a camera glass or something like that, it is very expensive to have this replaced. So once I get my 14 Pro Max in, I will have one on that. But right now, I got one for my 13 Pro, and I'm all good to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the GONEZ. Is that what it is? The GONEZ case for smartphone. See y'all in the next video.